Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to our online class. How are you all? You all are fine. Very good. As I told you in last session that our writing exercise is already over, and in our next exercise, in our next period, it means in today's period we are going to solve the workbook exercise of Unit 5, Lesson A, Merry-Go-Round. Okay? Look at this. This is your English workbook. Okay? Which book is this? This is your English workbook. And today we are going to solve Unit 5, Lesson A, Merry-Go-Round. Okay? Shall we start now? Yes. Before that, tell me today's day. Which day is today? Today is Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday. And today's date is 6th of October 2020. Okay. Now let's start from new words. These new words I gave you in your notebook also. Okay, at the beginning of the poem. Isn't it? Have you learned that? Yes or no? Okay. Let's revise it again. First, CLIMB, climb, UP, up. Climb up, it means to go up. Chadna, ROUND, round. Round means shape of a circle. ऐसे गोल जो सर्कल होता है उसे हम राउंड कहते हैं, या फिर किसी भी गोल आकार को राउंड या फिर सर्कल कहते हैं. AROUND, अराउंड. ऑन एवरी साइड, अराउंड मतलब चारों तरफ से, चारों ओर से. RODE, रोड. इट्स पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ राइड. टू सिट ऑन अ मूविंग थिंग, किसी भी मूविंग यानी कि हिलती हुई चीज़ पे बैठना, उसको क्या कहते हैं? राइड. राइड यानी कि सवारी, और रोड क्या है? उसका पास्ट फॉर्म है. गॉट इट? ओके. नाउ मूव फर्दर. रीडिंग इज फन. What did the little girl in the poem climb? पोयम में जो लिटिल गर्ल है वो कहाँ पे चढ़ी थी? किसके ऊपर चढ़ी थी? The little girl climbed on the merry-go-round. कहाँ पे चढ़ी थी? पोयम में जो लिटिल गर्ल है वो कहाँ पे चढ़ी थी? merry-go-round पे. The little girl climbed on the merry-go-round. Okay. Question number 2. On what did the girl sit? मैरी गो राउंड पे चढ़ के गर्ल किसके ऊपर बैठी थी? The girl sat on the big brown horse. किस पे बैठी थी? एक बड़े से ब्राउन कलर के हॉर्स पे बैठी थी. The girl sat on the big brown horse. Okay. Now question number 3. Did the little girl enjoy her ride on merry-go-round? क्या merry-go-round पे जिस पे वो जो गर्ल थी merry-go-round पे चढ़ के क्या उसने एंजॉय किया? Yes or no? एंजॉय किया कि नहीं किया? Yes. तो what is the answer? Yes. आंसर क्या है? Yes. The little girl enjoyed her ride on merry-go-round. Okay? You also have to write this as I wrote. Now look at this. Sharing is fun. You see all these things in a fair. Here some pictures are given. Can you see it? Yes, here some pictures are given. You maybe saw that all things in fair, isn't it? Okay. Match the words with the pictures, and along with this or in front of that picture some words are given. Now we have to match these words to its picture. Okay. Now tick what you see in the fair. And one more condition is there. Here one box is given. Yellow color box is given here. You have to tick in that box if you saw that in fair or anywhere else. Okay. First we will read these all words. SWINGS swings. Swings मतलब झूला. BUYING buying. TOYS toys. Buying toys. Buying toys मतलब टॉय मतलब खिलौना. Buying मतलब खरीदना. Buying toys it means खिलौने खरीदना. PLAYING playing. GAMES games. Playing games मतलब गेम खेलना. CIRCUS सर्कस. सर्कस मीन्स सर्कस. सर्कस को तो सर्कस ही कहते हैं. EATING ईटिंग. ईटिंग मतलब खाना. WATCHING वॉचिंग. MAGIC मैजिक. SHOWS शोज. वॉचिंग मैजिक शोज यानी कि जादू के खेल देखना. Now look at this picture. Whose picture is this? This is the picture of circus. Second one. कौन सा picture है ये? We can see in this picture one boy is buying ice cream to eat. Isn't it? खाने के लिए वो आइसक्रीम खरीद रहा है या फिर वो आइसक्रीम ले रहा है. This is the picture of swing. Swing यानी कि झूला. Here one magician is showing his magic. This one boy buy lots of toys. We can see in his cart there are lots of toys. Can you see? देखिए उसके कार्ट में बहुत सारे खिलौने हैं. It means he buy lots of toys. Here in this picture one boy is playing. Can you see it? Okay. Now we have to match these words to their pictures. First word is swing. Swing means
झूला.
झूला. So which is the picture of झूला? Which is the picture of swing? Third number. So we will match this word to this picture. Second one, buying toys. Buying toys मतलब
खिलौने.
खरीदना. खिलौने खरीदना. So we will match this to it. It means this picture. Playing games. This boy is playing a game in fair. Circus. This is the picture of circus. Eating. Here one boy is eating ice cream. Watching magic show. This magician show his magic. We all are we can see this. Okay. Now tell me one thing. Have you seen circus? Yes or no? If yes, then tick in this box. Have you ever eat ice cream? Yes. Swing? Yes. Have you ever seen magic show? Magician show? जादूगर का खेल देखा है आपने कभी? अगर आपने देखा है तो टिक कीजिए. अगर नहीं देखा तो लेट इट बी. उसे वैसे रहने दीजिए. बाइंग टॉयज. खिलौने खरीदे हैं. यस. गेम खेला आपने फेयर में. यस. ओके. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट पेज. नाउ read these same sound words and say aloud. Now tell me one thing. The words which sound same, we call them What we call them? We call them rhyming words. जो वर्ड्स जिनके एंडिंग साउंड या फिर जो दो वर्ड्स जिनके साउंड सेम आते हैं या फिर जिनमें से सेम साउंड निकलते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? राइमिंग वर्ड्स. ओके, so here four words are given with their pictures. We have to read them aloud. Okay, now FAN fan, PAN pan, fan, pan. Are they sound same? Yes or no? Fan, pan. Their ending sounds are same. Fan, fan, pan. It means these are rhyming words. Jug, mug. J-U-G, jug. M-U-G, mug. Jug, mug. These two are rhyming words. Now, here one activity is given based on the rhyming words or same sounding words. Now, read this. Now, draw a line from start to end connecting the same sound words. Here some words are given with their pictures. We have to start from the first word to the end of the end of these words. Okay, but we have to connect them by their rhyming words or by their same sounds. Okay, so first we will read the words. Bat, car, jar, bar, dad. Cat, rat, sad, pad, mad. Bed, red, lad, car, बार. अभी हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है? यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हैं तो हमें क्या करना है? फर्स्ट वर्ड से या फिर स्टार्टिंग से शुरू करना है. फर्स्ट वर्ड से स्टार्ट करना है और एंड तक उनके सेम साउंड यहाँ पे जितने भी सेम साउंड वर्ड हैं उन्हें कनेक्ट करते करते लास्ट वर्ड तक पहुँचना है. ओके, सो नाउ टेल मी. BAT बैट, CAT कैट, RAT रैट. उसके बाद नीचे कुछ आता है क्या? उससे सिमिलर साउंडिंग वर्ड है क्या? नहीं है. CAR कार, JAR जार, BAR बार. These three words are in a same line. Okay, it does not reach to the end. Now see this. DAD dad. After that, from here to MAD mad. Then from mad to PAD pad. Then after pad to SAD sad. And from sad to LED lad. Okay, dad, mad, pad, sad, lad. We start from the first line and end at the bottom line. ओके, डू अंडरस्टैंड नाउ? हमने फर्स्ट लाइन से स्टार्ट किया और वहाँ से हमने सेम साउंड के वर्ड कनेक्ट करते करते हम लास्ट लाइन पे पहुँच गए. देखो, डैड, मैड, पैड, सैड, लैड. ओके, नाउ टर्न योर पेज. Now here also we have to do the same activity as we do on last page. Okay, now see here. Bat, mat, hat, jar, bar, lad, sad, dad, mad, pad, hat, cat, car, jar, red. So here 1 2 3 4 5, these five words are same sound words. Okay, so we have to connect them like this. Lad to sad, sad to dad, dad to mad, and mad to pad. Okay, lad, sad, dad, mad, pad. These all are same sound words. Okay, now again see the next page. Writing is fun. Let's learn the directions. See, which direction is this? UP up. Up यानी कि
ऊपर.
ऊपर. DOWN
Down.
down. Down यानी
नीचे.
नीचे. RIGHT right. This direction shows us right side. Okay, right. LEFT left. Left यानी कि this direction. Okay. Right means दाया and left means बाया. Okay. Up यानी ऊपर, नीचे, दाया, बाया. These four are directions. Have you ever been to a fair? क्या आप कभी किसी मेले में गए हैं? Look at the different swing and identify their directions. अभी देखो यहाँ पे झूला दिया हुआ है, तो हमें उसकी क्या करनी है? डायरेक्शन आइडेंटिफाई करनी. झूला कैसे चलता है? अप डाउन. आगे पीछे जाता है ना, ऊपर नीचे. पहले ऊपर जाता है, फिर नीचे आता है, फिर ऊपर जाता है, फिर नीचे आता है, फिर ऊपर जाता है. ओके, सो कौन सी डायरेक्शन हो गई? अप, यूपी अप. DOWN डाउन, यूपी अप. मतलब पहले ऊपर जाता है, फिर पीछे नीचे आता है, फिर ऊपर जाता है, फिर नीचे आता है, फिर ऊपर जाता है, फिर नीचे आता है, फिर ऊपर जाता है, फिर नीचे आता है. यू कैन सी दिस. यू कैन सी हियर इन दिस पिक्चर. देखो, ऊपर नीचे ऊपर, ऊपर नीचे ऊपर, ऊपर नीचे ऊपर, ऊपर नीचे ऊपर. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ स्विंग. नाउ सी स्लाइडर. क्या है ये? स्लाइडर. स्लाइडर पे हम कैसे जाते हैं? पहले स्टेयर से, या फिर क्या कहते हैं हम? लैडर से. लैडर से, सीढ़ी से. लैडर से हम पहले ऊपर जाते हैं और फिर वहाँ से नीचे आते हैं. व्हाट इट मीन्स? पहले हम ऊपर जाते यानी कि अप, और फिर नीचे आते, इसका मतलब डाउन. तो हम स्लाइडर पे कैसे डायरेक्शंस कैसे हैं स्लाइडर के? अप डाउन. पहले हम सीढ़ी से ऊपर जाते हैं मतलब अप, और फिर उसके बाद ऐसे नीचे आते हैं यानी कि डाउन. नाउ दिस इज टॉय ट्रेन. क्या है ये? ट्रेन है. तो ट्रेन कैसे सीधे चलती है? या तो वो लेफ्ट में जा सकती है, या तो फिर राइट में जा सकती है. तो उसका डायरेक्शन क्या होगा? LEFT लेफ्ट and RIGHT right. Left, right. Okay. Now turn your. Now कौन सा पिक्चर है ये? दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ जाइंट व्हील. क्या है ये? जाइंट व्हील. क्या कहते हैं इसको? जाइंट व्हील. बड़ा सा व्हील होता है ना, गोल है, इसलिए हम इसको क्या कहते हैं? व्हील कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? व्हील. व्हील के जैसे दिखता है कि नहीं? पहिए के जैसे. और कितना बड़ा होता है? बहुत बड़ा होता है, इसलिए इसको क्या कहते हैं? जाइंट कहते हैं. जाइंट यानी कि बहुत बड़ा. जाइंट व्हील. तो अभी जाइंट व्हील कैसे घूमता है बोलो? देखो, अगर आप इसमें बैठे हो तो ये ऐसे ऊपर जाएगा, फिर नीचे आएगा, फिर यहाँ से ऊपर जाएगा, फिर यहाँ से नीचे आएगा. इट मीन्स इट साइमल्टेनियसली गो अप, देन डाउन, देन अगेन अप, देन अगेन डाउन. It means the direction is up, down, up. How is the giant wheel's direction? Up, down, up. Up, down, up. See in this picture. From here it goes up, and from here it comes down. Up, down, again up, down, again up, down. Do you understand? Okay. Now this one. We can call it merry-go-round also, but the difference only is this. Sorry, only one difference is there in merry-go-round and in this. On merry-go-round there are different types of animals, and here animals are not present, or animals are not here. Okay, it is also just like merry-go-round, isn't it? Now tell me how it runs. It runs in just like merry-go-round, round and round, from left to right, from left to right, from left to right. Okay, so the direction of this क्या कहेंगे हम इसको, we can call it a type of merry-go-round. I don't know the exact word for this. Okay, now tell me how it runs. It runs left to right. Okay, you can see in this picture left to right, left to right. So we have to write here L-E-F-T left, R-I-G-E-S-T right, then again L-E-F-T left, left, right, left, left, right, left. Okay, now here write the missing alphabets. Here in this wheel, alphabets are given, but some letters are missing. Okay, you have to complete this wheel. See, A, B. Which letter comes after B? C. So here C is missing. So you have to write here C. Actually, I will give this exercise for you as homework. You have to do this exercise as homework. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Got it? And you have to write here capital letters, not any other. Small and cursive. Okay, you have to write simple capital letters. Okay, do you understand? Okay, now see the next page. Fun with colors. This is the face of Ronnie Clone. Okay, he has to get ready for the circus. Now color the picture. Now color the parts of his face with different colors. Whose picture is this? This is the picture of Ronnie Clone. It means this is the picture of clone, means we can call it a joker also. Okay, we can see in this picture, this is the face of, or this is the picture of joker. What you have to do, he wants to ready for circus show, so you have to make him you have to help him to get ready. Now how can you help him? First you have to color and make him ready for the circus show. ओके, इसका मतलब क्या करना है आपको, उसकी हेल्प कैसे करनी है, आपको उसको उसे कलर करना है और उसको सर्कस के शो के लिए रेडी करना है. समझ में आया? सो दिस एक्टिविटी इज ऑल्सो फॉर योर होमवर्क. Okay, color it properly and send it to me. Only few students are posting me their homeworks on WhatsApp. Okay, I want everyone's homework and classwork. Okay, for checking. सबका होमवर्क आना चाहिए. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो मुझे भेज रहे हैं. Oh, very few students are sending me their homeworks for checking. Here we completed our workbook exercise. In next session, I will tell you what to do. This is enough for today. Bye. Thank you and have a nice day. Meet you again.